All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're live. But why isn't it, like, actually not showing anything? But we really are live. Oh, ha ha ha! Because it's delayed. All right. So, here's my streaming software, Megan Bo.
Okay.
And you can see that it's coming through my microphone, and we also have the screen capture turned on. And if this was playing audio, you would actually see this bump up and down. Like I could play a YouTube video and you can see that. So it's capturing everything.
That's interesting.
Ta-da! We are streaming.
So they can hear us too?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
You can see it. Look at it trying to listen to you right there.
Really?
Say something.
Hello. Something. Well, that's cool.
Let me try.
All right, try.
Hello.
Whoa.
Copy. Okay, now we'll copy this. Then we'll go to our family who are inadvertently being streamed live everywhere. Nah, I don't care. Hey everybody, we're live streaming vibe coding tonight. I think it'll be really boring. Check it out.
Fun.
Okay, there you go. So now our family knows about us.
How many people on YouTube are actually going to look at this? I'm guessing none.
There's already a bunch of YouTube.
I'm really hoping none, actually, but whatever. All right, so the thing for tonight, we're gonna go to projects. John Berryman, GitHub. John Berryman would have put all this stuff. Yeah, that's why I'm talking way too much because they can hear me too.
All right, well, everybody be careful what you're saying.
Yep, and Bo, you can't act out, Bo,
You also can't make
because the entire world will hear you.
So, no personal information.
Yep.
Behave.
Okay.
Do not list your birthday, social security number. The thing we're going to do tonight is make a game that we invented traveling recently. And the game is going to be called, for the time being, we can change this later, but it's going to be called Same Word. All right? So when we go there, we're going to do get init. Everything in the computer world is stored inside Git. That's how you store code. So we're going to start there, and we're going to open that in my vibe coder de jour cursor. It's not even just de jour. I really like cursor. All right, so in order to get started, let's tell the world audience what the game is actually like. Okay?
So we're going to play like a short example?
Give me a chance. You got to mute that. I can hear myself hearing myself.
It's like 5 seconds later.
Yeah, I know. It messes with me. So, let's play one round of the game just to show people what it's like. Docs, new. All right. This game has 4 players. K, J, M, and B. So it's okay if I share first names, all right? So Kumiko,
Yes.
figure out a question that has one word that, and we're all going to try to guess what that word is. Figure out a question whose answer is just one word, and we'll try to figure out what that is. This is the game we're playing tonight.
If you're thinking about fried food, what's the ingredient? Fried what?
If you're thinking about fried food, what is it? Okay,
Got it.
I got it.
I got it.
Okay.
Go for it.
Potato.
Fried potato? What the heck?
French fries.
Well, we call those French fries.
Fried food. What's
All right.
the ingredients?
So fried food. Kumiko says potatoes. I say chicken, because we're in the South after all.
Ice cream.
Fried ice cream.
Deep fried ice cream.
Ice cream?
No,
Take
no,
that,
no, no.
Sean.
I was just saying what she said.
Oh, what? Okay, so what's yours?
Chicken.
Chicken. All right. So, me and Bo both said chicken.
Not catfish?
So John gets 1 point and Bo gets 1 point, and they get 0. And I'm going to use tally marks because I don't have to add once I finish with this. All right, so I'm going to do the next question. It'll go in this order right here. My question is favorite fall color.
Got it.
I got mine.
Got it.
Okay.
Red.
Orange.
Red.
Red.
Ooh. Okay, so because it was my question and Bo said it, so 3 people said it. So Bo gets 2 points for the other people that said it. But since I was one of them and I started the question, he gets an extra point.
So if your word matches with the questionnaires word, you get an extra point.
Yeah, you get an extra point if your word matches with the person that asked the question, right? So Kumiko gets 3 points, right?
You're kidding, I have none.
And Meg gets goose eggs, but I only get 2 points because I can't match myself. All right, Meg, your turn.
What word is written on Papa's socks?
Say
what?
Without looking.
Okay.
Without looking, what word is written on Papa's socks?
Oh my goodness. Is there a word on these socks?
Yes.
I'm wearing them, and I don't know what the word is.
Word on the socks?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Man, I don't have a word yet. Okay, I got a word.
I think I got it.
Okay,
Bombast.
bombus. Dang it. Bo?
Bombast.
Really?
When I fold socks, I usually see sometimes when I'm folding people's socks, I get your socks and it says bombast on it.
All right.
Yeah.
So, Okazan?
Same here. Bombas.
Dang it. And I said Adidas because I didn't know what the crap to say.
I never bought socks from Adidas.
I know you haven't, but what words do
So
socks
that was a
have?
good question.
That was a great question.
He didn't even know what word was written on his socks.
John never paid attention
All right.
to the
So,
socks brand.
Gumigo gets 3, because 2 other people and the questioner was one of them. Meg gets 2 because she matched 2 other people, but she was the questioner, so she didn't get it. And Bo gets 3. All right, Bo's turn. You got a question, Bo?
What is the document called? Don't look at the TV.
What is this document called? Okay. All right, I got my answer.
Sure.
Okay.
Go, Bo.
Me?
No, you go, Bo.
Untitled document.
Ah,
Untitled document.
Vibe coding.
I was gonna say untitled. Does that count as the same thing, or is that?
That's fine.
Untitled
All right.
document.
All right, so Kumiko matched no one. She gets 0 points. I matched 2 people, including the question person. Meg matched 2 people, including the question person. And Bo matched 2 people, but he was the questioning person. All right, so it looks like Bo wins with that many lines.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations, Bo. You're actually really good at this. I think you won yesterday, too.
He did.
All right, so that's pretty much the game. The only other rule that we didn't trip over here is if you ask a question where no one gets the same answer,
Or
then it's
everyone gets it.
or where everyone gets the same answer, then that's a dud question. No one gets points, and that person gets a minus point.
Yeah, the person that asked the question.
And the person that asked it gets a minus point. All right, so what we would like to do tonight is to write code that implements this game. And I'm going to go here and create a new document that's going to be called a prd.md. This is the product. What's a PRD stand for? It's the product document.
This is going to be really boring. You can stay if you want, but I advise not to.
Ha 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 ha. Everyone loves vibe coding, Meg. All right.
Actually, it's a little bit fun.
First thing is to make a website. Front end, back end, deployed to fly.io. Okay, next is to make, we need to figure out, okay, like how's the game gonna work? What's the, hey Bo, you're distracting me by doing pirouettes right there. What's the game actually gonna be like? You need to find a game first. Let's see, to make actual game. And so it's going to be, let's see.
Like an online thing.
Yeah, online thing. And so step A is you find a game. And so you go to the homepage. Let's see. You go to the homepage and you type in an agreed upon password, and anyone else that has that password is automatically thrown into the same game. I don't know exactly how to do that. I hope we can do that without like having a database, because I want this to be pretty simple and stateless, ideally. At least for tonight.
Are we gonna do this over multiple nights?
I don't know. We're going to see how far we get this, and if it's too annoying, then we won't do it again. But I wanted to see how far we could get. Okay, so you find the game that way, and once you're actually in the game, we might even skip this one for tonight. You just throw you into the game. Anyone that's in the game can play. Well, okay, so when you're in the game, what happens? We have players, we have turns. I think probably we need to have a bunch of like canned questions. Well, I don't know.
I say the players themselves ask the questions.
How about you just type the question on this bar where you can type your question, and then it goes on the line and sent to the people that are playing.
And you type in a word and submit it, but it doesn't show until everyone's ready.
Okay, I kind of like that.
Can't do it
Because
at
then if it just shows your word after you type it in, then someone's gonna copy it.
Right. So after everyone types in the word. Okay. So each turn. Okay. So a turn is like this. First part is. Let's see. I'm running out of indexes. I, and then I, and then I. Okay, so the turn is whoever's, let's see, I can write this, I can speak this. Whoever's turn it is going to write a sentence in the blank. Everyone gets to see it. All right. And then everyone writes their word in the blank. All right, and the last thing is scoring happens, and if any person has the same word as other people, then they get 1 point for every other person that has that same word. And if the person that asked the question has the same word, then they get an extra point. And if they asked a question that no one has a green word zone, or everyone has a green word zone, then it's counted as a dud question, and the person asking the question gets a -1 point. Okay, and then IV. The whole game, we iterate through the players in the same order, and the game can only end when we've iterated through all the players 5 times. 5 times? I don't know. 7, 10, 10, 5? I don't know.
5 to 10 times.
Something times. X times. They get to pick the value of X.
Times.
All right. Okay, so let's see how far we can go.
Wait, we could make it so they could choose how many times.
I like that. They get to pick the value of X.
Oh, you're right about that.
All right, so let's make something. First thing is to make a website that is actually available on the internet. Here we go.
That's gonna be hard.
Well, let's see how hard it is. Make a website with a Next.js front end and an fast API backend, and it should just be a ping server. So in the front end, there's a box. Actually, it's not a box. The front end has a button called ping and a text box underneath it. If you click ping, then it sends an API request to the ping endpoint in the backend, and the backend returns the word Pong to the front end. Keep this as simple as possible. There's not much to it. Don't get creative.
If you're wondering what language he's speaking, it's called nerd. It's incredibly boring. Don't learn it.
You sound like a nerd. All right, we got stuff happening. Stuff is happening. Same word, backend. Yeah, requirements type text. I guess I'm okay with it. Yep. It thinks it did it. All right. I always like doing this. Make a scripts directory, and in the scripts directory, create a script called startservers.sh, and it's going to start both the front end and the back end. But it also has quick checks in there to make sure everything is installed. And it installs that if they're not. Also, if any of the servers are already running, it doesn't try to restart it. And also, if we Control-C and kill the process, it kills both of the servers. Ta-da! All right, I'm really hoping it just works at once.
What was that scroll?
You just wrote this whole file right here. Ooh, we even got colored outputs. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna assume it all works and just run this Humpty Bumpty. Yay! Scripts and start servers. Front end dependencies not found installing. Good. That's what I told it to do. Now, this might take a little bit because Next.js is kind of hefty at this point.
What's hefty?
Portly.
Oh.
Thick. Fat. All right, it thinks it's running, so let's see if it works.
Thanks.
Details not found. That's not true. Oh, I bet it's a ping endpoint. Okay. Oh, that's the front end. That's the back end, I mean. Okay, there's ping. Click. Pong. Great. It works. And if you go in here, here's what we just created, Bo. Did you see it?
No.
All it does is we go to this website and we reload it and we click ping and it returns Pong. That's all it does. We're playing ping pong. We just made a game. The front end has a page, and the page has a ping button and a text box input. Let's see, where's it being handled though? Click. Okay, the button on click ping, then it handles that and takes whatever the response is and sticks it into that button somehow. Value response. Okay, yep, there you go. Set response, got it. And then on the back end, there's not much to it. Back end, main. If you get a ping, you return a Pong. Perfect. As simple as can be. All right, so because that worked, we're going to do git add everything. Let's look at what we added. You watching, Bo? This is how you can make games in the future, but you got to watch. We just added all these new files. I don't know what they do necessarily, but that's okay. Git commit. Made a basic ping pong server. All right, git push. There's no place to push this to. I'll just keep it local for now. All right, so now we need to make it where we can deploy it to a website far, far away. Create a new conversation. Let's make this deployable to fly.io. Make sure that you include everything here. Fly.io should serve both the front end and the back end. And actually, rather than creating a new conversation, I'll stick it here because that still has the context to everything we've done so far. And it's not a very big conversation yet. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Pretty crazy, isn't it? Used to, I would have to type all this crap out myself. And in order to type all this crap out, I'd have to figure out what the crap I'm supposed to type. And I don't know this stuff.
That's why they made bytecoding.
Yep. I know what it's supposed to do, and I can read it and say, yep, but I don't know it by itself. I'd have to look it all up. So now we can do fly. I'm already off then. CTL. Do I really have to do that? Apps. Create same word. I'm dubious if I have to do that. But anyway, fly, control, deploy. So what we're about to do is Bo, we're going to take something that's more complicated than the code, the little games that you code, and we're going to stick it on the internet for everybody to see.
Okay, cool.
All right.
I wonder if we could get this thing on the App Store.
I would love that. I would really love that. Right now, we're not building it for iPhone. We're building it for the internet. But if we can do it for the internet, we can do it for the iPhone too. Can I have some more of that?
Yeah.
Onegaishimasu. And maybe some cheese.
So bilingual is 2 languages. Is trilingual 3 languages?
Yep.
He's trilingual. He can speak Nerd, English, and Japanese.
I can't speak Japanese very well, but I can speak Nerd pretty good. I'll give you that. A family that vibe codes together. Vibe codes together. I really don't like live sharing this. It's very obnoxious because I feel like I have to talk the whole time.
Really?
And then when I do talk, I feel like
There you go.
I feel like I'm acting.
And you feel like you're making a fool of yourself in front of everyone?
No, I don't care about making a fool of myself, but I feel
Oh, yeah.
obnoxiously.
Like reading out
It's kind of annoying. I hate reading out loud.
It's worse than reading out loud because reading out loud, at least, like, I'm supposed to be reading out loud and I just go by the script.
That's not how I feel. When I read out loud, I'm not paying attention to any of the contents. I just read each
Oh,
verse.
but I'm like painfully paying attention to the contents. It's just like, it's just weird to talk and hear your own voice rather than just to talk.
Oh, well. Good morning.
All right, I'm hoping this is only the first time it does it. It's building this. No, nobody's calling me.
Actually, it's perfectly fine to hear your own voice, but it's not perfectly fine to hear your own voice delayed.
Oh, that messes you up real bad. Yeah, I agree. Docker file. Where's my Docker ignore? What am I ignoring? Node modules. So that should be that, right? Git ignore. Node modules, yeah. It's acting like it's taking a long time to transfer this content up. Is this correctly ignoring the node modules inside front end, or should it be like front end / node modules? Tell me what you think. Alright, so I'm going to try deploying again, and hopefully that goes faster, but I'm not sure that really mattered. Oh, it's already past the last point, so I guess it did matter. Alright, but let's make sure. So we're going to front end builder. So you get that, run install, and that's going to install all the dependencies. Then we change the working directory to app, and then inside app we copy in all the backend stuff, and then we copy in the run script and run the run script. That makes good sense. Dang it.
Where's that bad?
Because we got an error, and that's always bad.
Oh.
What's the error?
Who would have a bug and be happy about it?
Failed to fetch an image or build source, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what it means. But you know what we do when we don't know what it means? We say, what's this mean? And then we say, fix it. Ta-da. Ooh, we got some cheese. Is that blue cheese right there?
No idea.
Yes.
Oh, no. No,
A housewife is a wonderful thing.
My wife's a wonderful thing.
Dude, that's made out of foot.
Let's get a spoon or a toothpick or something.
Is that it?
Don't eat all the cheese.
Can you bring some of these? Thank you, man.
Are you listening to Papa's live stream?
Halfway.
What?
She can hear it here without going to the live stream.
True, but still.
All right. Don't be a booger bro, Bo.
Yeah, and you sure with me?
Live streaming.
Bo in the fresh move, and now it's going. Say it with us. Don't be Bo the booger bro.
It's called Sora AI.
Yep, she's correct. You got $1 million.
It's interesting, Kumi-chan,
No.
to watch who here is aware that we are broadcasting to the world and who doesn't give a crap.
Wait, you can tell?
Yes. You are watching very closely the way that you act. Bo, not so much.
What about now?
Anybody can hear you though in the whole world, so be careful what you're saying.
Yes, sir. Just kidding.
All right. So we deployed it. This is a website that exists on the internet somewhere. Ping pong. Ta-da! Alright, we can...
Boring.
It's boring, but let's make it not boring.
Unboring.
Boom. Big A. Okay.
Okay.
We just made this as a family. Alright, they're not going to get any of that, but I don't care. Alright, so should we actually go ahead and make the waiting room where you find a game, or should we... Let's see. Yeah, let's make the waiting room.
The waiting room?
Yeah. I want it to be... You go to the website... Let me think. We'll all store it in memory for the time being. You go to the website... Oh, gosh. And you type in... You can type in the name of a game. Your name and the name of a game.
Okay. Like, or your username, whatever. And it'll show that during the game.
What shall we call it?
The word game.
Nah, that's boring.
Same word.
Double answer.
You go to the website and you type in the name of your game, like your password for all your friends. You tell them to go to the same thing.
Yeah.
Go here and type in Berryman. And then you type in your name. And then once everyone joins, then the first person to create it can start the game.
And they go in the order that they join.
Yeah, sure, that would be a reasonable thing to do. But that's when it goes to the next page.
Oh yeah, so I guess we're just working on the waiting room for now. The waiting room for ping pong.
Okay, so Bo, we're gonna make a website, and when you go to the website, if you want to start a new game, you type in a special name for the new game, and
Name it.
yeah, you just name it. Anyone else who comes and types in that exact same name, so it can't be very long, can join your game. Yeah, okay, so it's gonna look like this. Find a game looks like this. The actual page looks like join a game, and then further down on the page it's like create, maybe on the top, I don't, create new game, and then there's going to be
A bar there that you can type in the password or the name of the game.
yeah,
Same at the bottom.
But it won't be.
your name, and there's a box here.
I don't think a lot of people would like it if it looked like that.
Well, we're going to make it a little better than this.
Oh, thank goodness.
Join a game, and then create a game. And then there's gonna be like a button that says go. Sure, go. And there's gonna be a button here that says go. And then there's the waiting room. That's really is B is waiting room.
You can just put up flowers and stuff.
Yep. So if you're joining a game, then the waiting room is going to tell you how many people are in the game, and that's it. If you created the game, then the waiting room is going to tell you how many people joined and their names, and you also have a button that says start game. Why not let everyone know their names? Okay.
game? Settings. Most games have settings.
And what would the settings do?
Like light mode, dark mode, volume, and stuff.
But I don't want to put too much extra stuff because that's stuff that we can always do later. That's like nice little things to do later.
Maybe we can make that an update after we publish the game.
Alright, check this out. This is the prd.md file. We're going to rewrite this. I'm going to explain the game to it. It's kind of redundant, but I'm going to explain it again. And then I'm going to say, look at this file right here and help me rewrite the PRD. Keep it simple. Okay. Here we go. Your goal is to help me rewrite this prd.md file so that it reflects the product that we have in mind. I have invented a game called Same Word, and here's how it works. Every player thinks of a question, and then everybody, including the question player, thinks of a single word answer. And then at the same time, they reveal their word. And so on the website, it's going to be they just type their word in the box. Once everyone has their word typed in, then it reveals the words and calculates the score. If the word that you thought of matches with any other player, then you get 1 point per player that it matches with. If the word you thought of also matches with the question person, then you get an extra point. There's a final penalty negative point if you come up with a question and no one has the same word, or if you come up with a question where everybody has the same word, then it's called a dud question, and no one gets any points except the question person removes a point. Now, this prd.md file shows how we're going to build the whole website. It's got 3 basic pages. The first page is Find a Game, which allows you to type your name, join a game, and you can type the name of the game in, or create a new game where you type the name of the game in. The name has to match exactly. After you click Go, then there is a waiting room that tells you how many people has joined your game and their names. If you are the creator, then you get a button that says Start Game. Otherwise, you just sit there, twiddle your thumbs, and watch how many people are joining. Finally, there is the game page itself, which is described already in the prd.markdown, and it reflects much of what I've told you right now. So please help me rewrite this file. Keep it pretty simple and straightforward. All right. So for the past 4 weeks, I haven't even typed. I just keep yelling at my computer and it does stuff for me. All right. It says stuff. You see what it says?
Yep.
Same word. Production requirements document. That's what I meant by PRD.
Oh,
Product requirement document.
I'm still confused.
Product is anything that we're building for the company.
Oh.
Apple bows. Is this an Apple bow game, Bo?
Apple Bob, not Apple Bow.
Apple Bob.
Apple Bob.
I apologize.
Maybe you should show our viewers Apple Bob. Maybe like at the end.
Maybe. All right, so let's read it and make sure it makes sense. Same word as a multiplayer game where players take turns asking questions. Everyone, including the questionnaire, provides single word answers. Points are awarded based on matching answers. Okay, that's a very simple way to put it. Website structure, game, find a game page, waiting room, game page. Okay, so they got the basic idea right. Scoring rules in game. Okay, it sounds good too. Players can join an existing game or create a new one. Your name, blah, blah. Game names must match exactly. Case sensitive. After clicking go, the players go to the waiting room. In the waiting room, all players see the number of people and the names. For the creator, they also get a start game. For non-creators, Wait and watch. Oh. Okay, sure, it's fine, I guess. All right. Game page.
I have a question.
What's your question, Bo?
What if someone does the same name?
We can make it so they can't do that. Some like
Bo is a natural programmer. What if they do the same name? I guess it would break everything. Good point. Let's see.
Like, if a bunch of people play it, I bet at least someone will do the same name, and it'll just get confusing and crash the whole game and ruin everyone's experience.
You are very clever, Bo.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I
Oh.
hadn't even thought of that.
That'd mess everything up. Okay. Fields, behavior.
You need to make it where you can't do the same name. You have to do a different name that no one has typed in for now.
Player names for a particular game must be unique. Otherwise, it makes you re-enter your name. Okay, good point, Bo. Let's see. All right, the game itself, turn structure, question phase. Current player types a question. Everyone sees the question. Answer phase. Everyone, including the questioner, types a single word answer in their input box. And all players, once all players have submitted the word, the answers are revealed simultaneously. Scores are calculated according based on matching words. So see if they got the scoring right. If your word matches a player, you get 1 point. If your word also matches the person who asked the question, you get an additional 1 point. Dead question penalty. If the questioner asks a question where no one gets the same word to no matches, or everyone has the same word, all matches, then it's a dud question and no one gets a point, and the questioner loses 1 point. Ha ha. In-game, player takes turns asking questions in the same order. Game ends after all players have asked questions X times. Player choose X at value at the start of the game. Ooh, okay, so that needs to be up here too. For game creator. So the game creator gets to say number of rounds box.
Just instead of unique name, just make it where you can't do, where it doesn't allow you to do the same name.
That means the same thing, Bo.
Oh.
All right.
But unique means like cool.
This looks like a really good PRD. So I want you to make another file called implementation.md that tells us how to implement this game piece by piece in order. Maybe that's good enough. Let's see.
What does MD stand for? Like MD file or whatever.
It's Markdown, which is a file format that looks like this. Actually, this is a Markdown file. So this is like a heading, and this is how you make list, and there's how you make bold.
Oh.
You can actually take it, mark down online.
Cloud AI in Replit. Oh. We do stuff with that.
Oh, I just want to do this. If you take something like what we have already, then it turns it into a pretty document like this. See?
Whoa.
Kind of cool, right?
That's cool.
All right. So it created this file right here. WebSocket. Yeah, good. It is using WebSocket. Just want to make sure that All right. 9 phases ordered from foundation to testing. Foundation model, API endpoints, real-time updates, game logic, front-end pages, polish and handling testing.
You've got little chunks of green dots everywhere.
Okay, let's at least look at the outline. For the back end, game models. Player, game, and turn. Okay, fine, I guess. Create game manager. In memory store, that's fine.
母さん、もっと肉とチーズ欲しい。お願い。I would have some cheese as long as not blue cheese. I do not like blue cheese.
だからルフィみたいに肉
Girl Luffy, except she doesn't stretch.
and I don't have a straw hat.
And you, but the only thing that you're identical about is Niku.
Thank you for saying a random word.
Okay, so it's implementing the game logic and then like the waiting room, but I want to do the waiting room first.
I wonder if we could decorate the waiting room later.
Yeah, that could be something that we do at the end too.
We better do that or else they'll
Make
be
it
bored
fancy and
and
add
bored.
colors.
Or
And
maybe
like
we could
change
just-
the font.
Or maybe we can just make a field with a sheep on it in the sun setting and a couple of flowers with the wind blowing.
Okay. This looks like the right information, but I want to do it in a different order. I want to create the waiting room first. No, that's not what I wanted to say. I want to create the I want to create the game creation or joining page first. Then I want to create the waiting room second. And then I want to create the game page second, where you actually play the game. I said second when I meant third.
I heard that you said second twice.
Rearrange the documents accordingly. All right.
Austin is a holy creature.
Good. She's really good. Okay. All right. I suspect that's good. I suspect this is good, but think for a little bit and make sure that we got all of our bases covered. Are we actually going to be able to implement everything when we do it in this order? Make sure this still works. I'm not sure I trust them to have the right decision yet. Let's see.
I want to view the game.
Hmm?
I want to view the game.
It's not a game yet.
It didn't exist yet, Bo.
I want to view something that doesn't exist.
All right. Keep all. All right. Read the prd.md and read the implementation, and then build the implementation stopping at key points that you can tell us to test. Then tell us to test it, and we will test it and tell you to continue. See how that works. All right.
Yum, yum, yum.
So, at this point, it's going through all this crap. It's building stuff that I don't even know what it is. I can read it and figure it out.
We should make a how many times Papa has said crap counter.
Yeah.
Because you have said it a lot.
That's because I want to say other things, but you won't let me.
Oh.
It's your habit.
Wait, can you check messages again? I want to see if any other people joined.
I think we should be able to go to live streaming here. There's the video link right there. We've been live streaming for an hour. And someone looked in. That's Okasan, I guess. Did you just peek at it once, or did you peek at it twice?
Once I thought.
Ah, so the Sloans or somebody joined for a little bit. See it?
Mm-hmm.
But they didn't say anything to us. That makes me sad.
You just tell them, find anything?
I just signed it.
Interestingly, I think they hide the studio page from the screen somehow. I don't know how they do it.
So no one else is on,
What's
it's
the
just us.
ingredient?
And no one's watching.
Yep, pretty much.
Yep.
Which is how
Wait.
most of the internet works.
Whoa.
Oh,
Da 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 da.
You have so many apps. You need to get rid of some, or else your computer will lag out.
Okay, testing phase 1.
Did you make the game?
Getting there. Keep all.
So are you gonna, is this gonna be posted after the live stream is over?
Yes.
Is it a real thing yet?
Well, let's see. It just did a lot of stuff. Testing phase 1. Start the backend server. Start the front end server. Create a new game with a lowercase name. Try creating a game with uppercase name should error. Join an existing game. Try joining a duplicate player name should show error. Try joining a non-existent game should show error. Okay, this all makes sense. So, scripts, start, servers. What is start production? I don't know what that crap is.
Production?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm annoyed at that. All right, check it out.
Whoa.
Actually, something works. Enter your name. John. Join a game. Booger. Go.
Oh.
Game not found. Okay, I want to create a game called Booger. Waiting room. All right. So
And
there's
this
a waiting
phase
room.
will be implemented in phase 2.
Let's see. So I'll go.
Hope no one views it. Hope no one views it right now.
Ooh.
Like they type a random thing and coincidentally they just find it.
So my name is now John. Again, I'm going to join a game called Booger. Go. Oh, it's already taken. So I could create a new game called Booger 2. Alright, but actually what I want to do is... You alright, Bo?
Yep, I just did the weirdest thing ever.
Well, that was unusual.
Okay, you should be glad they can't see you doing that.
So, Okasan. And she's going to join a game called Booger. Alright. Alright, so
Join the booger game.
keep all. This works beautifully. It's beautiful. Create the next part. Go. Yum.
Too
bad my mom and dad are busy.
Hmm?
Too bad they're busy. Did you see the message?
Yeah.
Of course, the voice.
To be perfectly honest, this is boring stuff for most people. But,
And still, you have to be kidding. The voice?
alright, phase 2 is complete. What was built? Let's see. Back in game manager. Start game. Start game. Returns current game. Starts game. Front end waiting room. Okay, so the waiting room now should display the player count and list of players. Okay. Please test the following. Create a game and verify you see the waiting room. Open another browser tab and join the same game. Verify that both players see each other in the real time. Polling updates. Am I okay with that? Yes, creator try starting with one player. Is creator start the game with 2+ players. Verify all players are directed to the same game automatically. After testing, let me know if everything works, and I'll continue to phase 3. Okie dokie.
Can't wait.
Alright.
Better work.
Papa is my name. Booger is my game.
Why do you always do such weird things? Failed to fetch? Oh.
Failed to fetch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Boop.
What's it glitching? I mean,
Got a problem. Our first production error.
Are we gonna make it better after we make the game work efficiently?
I think so.
Look better.
You open a browser and you try it. Because weirdly, they also have the ability to open browsers. I can't
Wait,
tell
they
what's
do?
Yeah. I can't tell if it's working or not. Okay.
backhand wasn't letting.
I'm not sure that's true.
This looks like a bloody mess. Ah. There we go.
What's a bloody mess?
I keep popping these pomegranate seeds in my face.
Num num num. Num 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 num. 2 errors?
It says 2 hours.
Yep.
Num num. Just how to debug everything that I see.
Oh no. Absolutely, it's not working now.
There's whenever we use it, there's just up. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Check your Wi-Fi. Oh, I think I know why.
Quick aside, can you check these scripts that start production? Nope, not that.
Is
Not-
this
Start server.
Hi, Jesse-chan.
Go over there, tell me.
Hello, can you hear us? Say yes in the comment down below. You can.
I can't see the comment yet.
This thing sometimes has.
Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, that's weird. I bet we could go to here and say, let's play your Primo game. Is it Pong? It's amazing, right?
Who is that?
Oh
Jessica.
yeah, I can see your text now, Jessica. Never mind, I can't anymore.
What?
What?
Hmm?
More wine.
Why not? All right.
Yeah?
Scripts. Start.
Yes.
Oh. Scripts. Start. Server. Okay, let's see what's up with this. It's not working.
Quick update, we're miserably failing. Oh, Leslie, can you see it?
I can't. I don't understand what's. I just subscribed. I'll say hi.
Okay, I'm really grumpy now. Remove scripts, start production, and instead make sure that scripts start server works correctly. Right now, if I run it, I can see that front end is running at localhost 3000, but it actually is not working. I get, what do I get? I get, this site can't be reached.
Papa and Jesse-chan just subscribed.
Well, good. I'm glad you subscribed. Welcome, subscriber.
Your aunt just subscribed.
Not his aunt.
There's nothing to support 3000, but it is. Okay, we'll control C that. Okay, so it says it's working. Is it actually working? It killed stale ports. Good. Good. Kill it all. All right, now this should, aha, it works. So I can go,
Is it working?
so something's working. So my name is Papa.
Papa.
And I'm going to start a game called Booger.
Of course, because you're
Booger.
Papa.
All right.
Ooh, next time.
Look, it's changing. Waiting room, Booger. Players, Papa. Start game. Number of rounds per player. We're going to do 4 rounds per player. Waiting for more players.
Ask other people to join.
That's cool.
Just,
Ask Okasan, not Jesse-chan, to join.
this is on localhost, which means it's on my machine. But if it's working like this, it's really close to where we can make it work in real life. So I'm gonna make this go to Gumiko, and it's gonna be join a game, Booger.
It's called.
What's my mom?
The game's called Burger.
All right, waiting for game creator to start the game. So I'm gonna start the game now. This will be implemented in phase 3. Okay.
Just say, can I play?
You can soon, Jess, but you can't yet because it doesn't exist yet.
What should I do?
We've made the waiting room and the game selector, but we've got to make the actual game itself.
Yeah.
So we're going to git commit, and start Let's see. Git add. Actually, git status. What have we changed? Tons of stuff. Here's all the files that we've added. Not as many as I thought. That's a directory, so that'll be a lot of stuff in there. Git add everything. Okay, so that's how much we've actually added. Still not too complex.
We'll tell you when you can join.
Git commit. Created the waiting room for the game. Next up is making the game itself. I'm gonna start a new conversation though. Review the prd.md and the implementation.md, then review the code base and figure out how far we've gotten, and then create the rest of the game. Make sure to create the appropriate components rather than having something giant monolithic, but don't get too creative. Keep it fairly simple. Hey, quit. Just stop. Don't do that.
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Remember, kids, we're transmitting this to the entire Earth.
Well, currently we're transmitting it to our mom and our aunt. That's about it.
But the entire Earth can, in principle, see this.
But they're not.
Jessica says, I don't understand what's happening. I just subscribed.
I already told you that she subscribed.
No, you can't play, Jess. We're not going to let you. I still love you, though. Ooh, we have 2 viewers. Okay. Oh, my goodness, it's going crazy.
Wait, who's the other viewer? Okasan?
Okay, so let's see. It thinks it did a lot of work right then. Implemented the remaining game functionality. Added turn model, extended backing game, game logic function, start turn, submit question, submit answer, calculate scores, complete turn, check game end. Okay, it sounds right.
It doesn't to me because you're not speaking English.
AI endpoints. I'm just reading fast. You can read faster than I can.
That's not what I meant.
AI endpoints. Can you start turn, question, answer? Okay, I guess that's fine. Complete game. Kumi-chan,
Hi.
would you like to try this out?
Okay, how should I do?
Why don't you let Jesse try it?
Oh, this is on localhost.
Do we do phase 3 already?
What should I do?
Okay, so let me run this and see if it works. And then if it works, I'll deploy it. And we'll run it. Okay, so you can stop that.
Yep.
Yep, hurt yourself.
Nope.
How about on the waiting room, just to be a little goofy?
Hey, Mom.
Why don't we make it say, please stay patient. This is the funniest part. Please stay patient. This is the most boring part of the game.
Why'd you say funniest?
So, same word. I'm going to create a name called Booger. Good. And I'm going to do this again. And I'm going to join a game called Booger.
Papa,
Yep.
shouldn't you make it so that 2 games can't have the same name? Because then someone could accidentally join a random other game.
Watch this. Let's test it. That's a good theory. So, enter name. That's my name, and the name is Booger. Let's see. I'm curious. Game already exists.
Okay, good.
So thank you for figuring that out. Good thinking, Meg.
Okay.
All right. So Papa has the ability to start. He can start with 3. Here we go. It's time. It's your turn to ask a question. The other person sees nothing, waiting for Papa to ask a question. It's working, guys. Interestingly. What's my name? Submit question. Okay. What's my name? Asked by Papa. Single word answer. Papa. Papa. But misspelled. Okay, Papa gets a -1 because it's a dud question. Wow, this is actually freaking working. Holy cow.
It's gonna be a dud question. We need to make it work.
Bo's figured it out. If there's only 2 people, everything's a dud question.
Yeah, so that I was about to say that we should make it so we can't have only 1 or 2 people.
And then
Game is not accepting new players. It figured that out too. If the game is started, it's not going to accept new players. Okay, it looks like it's working. So I'm going to start a new game with Papa. Create a new game called Poop.
Papa, not in a video. That's inappropriate.
Everything's inappropriate. You're a Berryman.
You're inappropriate.
Okay. Okay, so now it's
Sorry,
Meg.
viewers.
Poop. We're not sorry, viewers.
I was
And
talking
quit
to
talking.
the guy that's talking all
Quit
the time.
acting like
Oh, shush.
they exist. Poop. All right, and
Post this, they will. Or rather, I should say, we're sorry, Aunt Jessie John.
Well,
Jesse
everyone might watch it.
Chan.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now we have a new game that's ready. And these players have joined. So it's my turn to ask a question. So this is actually a real game. Unfortunately, I have to play it by myself, but we'll see. What's your favorite color? Boop. 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 Okay, so
Wait, can I answer for me, kind of?
Sure. Wait, is this yours?
Yes.
Blue. Okay. Jessica says green. Sorry, Jess.
Should I your favorite color?
Actually, and I say green. So let's see if they do the scoring right. If they do the scoring right, then Papa should get 1 point.
And what decision should get 2?
Jesse Chan should get 2, and Meg should get 0.
You need to submit the other people.
That's cool. That's cool that it figured that out. Right? You answer green. You answer blue. Waiting for Meg to ask a question.
Oh my gosh, it worked.
All right, so did it get it right? So Papa got 1, Jesse Chan got 2. It works. It freaking works.
Now let's get some people in.
Wait, send out Jessie John the link.
Yeah, I think it's actually finished. It's finished.
Can I use your phone
My phone?
or your computer or something? Oh,
Holy cow.
oh my word.
I can't believe it works.
Send out Jessie John the link, Papa.
All right, Jesse Chan. We are getting ready to deploy this Humpty Bumpty.
Keeps running around.
Let's see.
Every single device we can.
How do we deploy it? We do. Okay, so let's see. Get status. Get add everything. Get commit am. Holy crap, the game works. And then get. Oh yeah, there's no push. So we do. Make a script to deploy this to fly.io.
Papa, what's the link?
We just witnessed
In the
a game
scripts
being born.
directory. Yeah, we just witnessed a new game being born.
What's the?
Jesse Chan, are you excited? It's coming to you soon. Oh my goodness, there's more people watching now.
What's the link?
The whole world is watching.
What's the link?
Okay,
What's the link?
I'll tell you shortly. We're going to deploy it.
I grabbed the computer.
Does fly.io deployment still work? Or has all of our changes made something where we need to work differently? Something.
You can sit next to me.
Oh yeah. Papa, I don't
What
know
the crap is
copy.
start production?
Oh yeah, and we can't look at the TV item, can we? But you're not allowed to look at the TV.
But I need to look at the web. I need to look at the link.
Well, when he starts the game, when he starts the game, don't look at the TV. Okay.
Oh, just go to the tab and I can copy the link on the top.
Wait, go, Paul. What are you doing, Papa?
Got a deploy problem. Let's see. Try to deploy again.
I don't know what to copy.
There's nothing to copy yet. The website exists on my computer, but does not exist on the internet yet. Well, it exists on the internet.
Oh, so you're trying to get it to exist on the internet?
Yep. Well, there might be a bug, so we got to debug this too.
Oh no. No, she said a frog.
But I know, but her voice makes it sound like a frog.
I don't think you can see it, but right now I'm looking at your chat messages. I think YouTube hides this. Oh dear, but I'm not able to deploy it successfully. Alright. Did you catch that, Jess? Wasn't that funny? No one here caught it. Probably you didn't catch it either. Too much text on the screen. Naniga? Hang on, Jess. There's a good chance that we'll figure it out shortly.
What do you mean shortly?
Oh, I can watch my own live stream. Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Yep, that's the live stream. Oh, I can watch my own live stream. All right, let's go. Ooh.
What do I say?
All right. Same word is hopefully. Uh-oh, but it's not loading. Ah, loaded. Okay, okay. Jess, now is the time.
Uh-oh. My daughter.
I am starting a I'm starting a game called Booger.
Wait, what is the link?
Uh-oh. Papa said
The link is, look on the screen right now.
Okay.
how's it Google now?
Because that's the password for the night.
What is it? HT? Oh gosh.
So start only do this little bit.
Okay.
You don't have to write HTTPS, just write same-word.fly.dev. Jess is in. Jess is in.
Just say
Oh my
I'm in.
gosh.
Where's my K-type?
Right here.
Same dash.
Oh, maybe this will work this way. New
Look,
face.
This is a funny picture I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Every single one of you have your own computer.
Wait, Papa, I can't get to it because you changed it. I can't see it.
All right.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the entire internet. We're broadcasting live from Berryman living room. Our special guest tonight, Jessica Sloan. Wow. Brave to come on the entire internet like that. I mean, no offense or anything. You're cool. All right. So far, me and you have joined.
Gosh. Okay. Why can't I get to it?
Uh-oh, Bo's having trouble.
Okay. What are you typing, Bo? We'll help figure it out.
HTTPS.
You're doing a search for it. Go to the very top. Instead of searching on Google, go up to the bar at the top and type it in. Higher, 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 higher. Right there. Down, down, down. Click that. Delete it. Delete everything there and now type in same-word.fly.dev. Oh, Maggie Poodle's in. Great.
Wait, what? Type what? Type what?
Meg, you're sitting there. She's gonna help you, I thought.
Type what? I am going to. So you type
So
same. All lowercase dash.
Jay's for practicing for the entire internet.
Okay. Word.
No one's watching, but this is the entire internet in principle.
Dot fly.
Nobody's watching, but anybody could
Dot
if
dev.
they want to.
Oh.
That's
Nobody is.
Press that. Bo needs permission.
Permission?
Yep.
Send the permission to me.
Hi, parent password. Wait, we're waiting for Bo to join.
As soon as
Hold on.
Bo
As soon as
starts,
Bo
then we'll be ready to go.
Alright, here we go.
This is gonna be fun.
Bo, Meg, stop.
Now what name? Wait.
Type your name and then type in the game called Booger. What, Jess? No, you're.
Bo's in.
All right, here we go.
Don't look at the TV, okay?
I'll figure it out.
All right, so no one look at my TV.
We're not.
It's my turn to ask a question. So here we go.
Hey, Bo, why don't you? Oh yeah, never mind.
I got to think about it though. Hang on a second. If someone steps on your foot, what do you say?
Got it.
You got to type it in.
Okay.
So type it in lowercase, I think.
Just one word.
Just one
All
word.
wait, okay, yeah, all lowercase because it automatically does uppercase. And no, like exclamation points or anything, right?
Just one word.
Just one word, no exclamation points.
All right, then.
All right, one person's answers. Waiting for Jess to ask. Oh, waiting for Jess to ask a question.
I got 3 points.
Okay, so it didn't like really tell it to us, but we got the points scored. Okay, so one thing that feels not quite right here is I want to see people's words.
I want to see the words.
But okay, so Jessica, you said ouch.
Oh, I said owl.
Meg said owl. Bo said
Ouch.
ouch.
No
Okay.
capital.
So you guys got 3 points because you had 2 people matching you, and I also matched you. Okay. So now Jessica, ask any question where one word, where the answer is one word, and the idea is to have some mixture, but not everyone mixture, and not everyone the same. Does that make sense at all?
I'm
What's your favorite bad word?
It doesn't have to be right answer for everyone. So they type the question?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm typing it in.
Okay, cool.
What's burning?
Nothing. It turned off. Now I'm busy. Hurry up!
God,
Be patient.
Mom, busy. Smells like you burned down a popcorn field over there.
Well, good news, Sean.
Oh yeah. it
Jessica
does.
is typing slowly, and that's another thing I wanted to do.
It's okay, be patient. Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
what grows under the ground? What grows under the ground is usually orange?
Gross.
what?
GROWS.
What
Jessica,
grows?
this is the entire internet. Everyone in the world is watching this. There's 8 billion people,
What
Jess.
grows under the ground?
Okay.
What grows?
Gross.
Gosh.
What
Poor-
grows on the ground is usually orange.
I wonder.
Anything grow under the ground?
I
All right, I've got my
I
answer.
know.
Oh, am I supposed to answer too, even though I wrote it up?
Yes.
You gotta answer, yep. And whoever matched with your answer will get extra points.
You lost a point because everyone answered the same thing.
Uh-oh. Waiting for Maggie Poodle to ask a question.
I see how we play this. Okay. It's to be obvious.
What was the question? What was the answer?
Carrot.
What grows under the
What's
ground
that?
and
What's your
usually
answer?
orange? I got it.
What's the answer?
After you're done scanning, if they're still doing it.
All right.
Well, he still has to tweak some stuff. I like his glasses, John.
You like what? My glasses?
I want to see everybody's answer,
Yeah, me too.
if that's possible.
Next steps. Make sure we can see
Let's see.
everyone's
I'm still thinking.
answer.
Wait a sec.
The whole world's waiting, though, Meg.
I know.
Jace, I like that. If I could do it, I would make it background music for the game that we're making.
Oh, that would be cool.
Papa, you can vibe code music. I did it with mine and I could make beautiful music. Even sounds of, even glitching sounds.
Mm-hmm. Maggie Poodle is slowly typing.
I know. Wait. Oh.
Come on, Meg. You got this, girl.
There's 3 rounds. I'm not sure if we want to go 3 rounds. Okay.
What's the question?
What is round with icing and sprinkles? This feels like a dud question. Unless people spell it differently. Okay, so that's one problem too.
K-pop.
Huh.
Oh.
Did everyone finish?
Oh. Actually. So wait, but what did you answer?
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
All right, waiting for Bo to ask a question. What are you going to ask, Bo?
Wait, how did Bo get any points if he asked? He said cupcake.
Yeah, I said cupcake.
Oh.
What did you say, Jess?
Cookie.
Oh.
Cookie. Wow.
I said donut.
Donut?
All right, Bo, you got to ask a question.
That's Grace, not icing.
Oh. I guess. Oh, Jessica, a cookie doesn't have icing on it.
Yes, it does. Cookie icing.
I couldn't hear what he said.
Oh, that's curious. How well can you hear the people in the background? Not very well?
No,
Not very well.
Yeah. She was making fun of you for being so stupid.
But no, it wasn't.
Silly, man.
Not that mean. I know.
Oh.
You're joking. What primary color am I thinking of?
Oh,
Ooh,
that's a
good
pretty good one.
one. I love that.
A primary color, huh? Okay.
I love that, Jessica.
I made it.
Oh, okay. I said blue. What'd you guys say?
I Red. said yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, so I matched without Jesse-chan, I guess.
Oh. Well, Bo, you're still winning. All right. Do you want to go one more full round, 4 questions, or give it up at this?
I want to finish it.
Whatever y'all want.
All right. Let's do one more round instead of 3 rounds, just 2 rounds. Okay, it's your turn to ask questions.
Well,
So,
I want to complete the game. I want to see how it does when we complete it.
well, okay.
I want to see the result at the end. What? Papa typing slow.
All right, there you go.
What's the question?
Garlic.
Yummy or gross?
All right.
What did you say, Papa?
Yummy.
Of course.
Oh.
Is it gross?
Hey, you both type.
I said gross.
Don't you like garlic bread?
What'd you say?
Gross.
Everyone said gross?
What's wrong with you?
No, I said yummy.
Man.
Oh, me and Bo said gross.
Oh, okay. So I got. Okay. So Jess, you got extra points for matching me. Good job. Your turn, Jess.
Yay. No.
Dun, dun, dun. You can't type that, Jess. That's gross.
I hope I spelled stuff right.
Oh,
I just sneezed. What word did Josh say? I think it's 2 words, but I'm gonna go with it.
that's
Oh, answer must be a single word.
Uh-oh.
Do you put a space?
What?
What? No, it's gonna be a single word.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know how to spell it.
Oh my gosh.
This is bad. I spelled.
You spelled this particular word the stupidest possible spelling. So if I can match that, I'm awesome.
Okay, how about hold on.
You done?
All right. Meg and Bo.
Just sneeze. What word did Josh say in response?
Oh,
Shut up.
All right.
I said I don't know. Bo said IDK. Oh, everyone said different answers.
Everyone said different answers and just got -1. Ha ha.
Oh no.
What
You
did
lost
Josh
the
say?
point. Ha ha. Shame on you. It's gotta be a single word thing.
Maggie Poodle.
I know.
Here, scooch over so that you can Papa's flat next to me.
What number from 1 to 3 am I thinking of? All right. I got my answer.
And also spell it out instead of just typing a number.
Oh crap. Wish you told me that a moment ago.
All right. Type your number.
Like in number or spell it?
Don't spell.
Okay.
What?
Sneaky. Yay!
All right.
2. My one. Yay!
Was it 2?
Yay!
Full enough.
All Alright, I got a point for that.
Shucks.
Bo, you're winning again. Alright, go, Bo.
He's crazy good at this
I
thing.
want to come back. They ask the question, and if you get the same answer with somebody, I think you get a point. But if everyone doesn't get any, I don't remember.
Bo, ask your question. Focus on your question. The person in charge asks a question, and if you guess, it doesn't matter who, but if you guess the same answer as some other person, you get a point for every person you agree with. If you guess the same answer as the question
questionnaire.
person, then that is an extra point. And if you ask a question that is stupid because everyone has a different answer or everyone has the same answer, that's a dud question. You get a -1, and no one else scores any points. You have wasted our time.
That's me.
Yeah.
I've waited for a time. Yeah, describe apples. Oh my goodness, that's a really good one. Describe apples with one word.
Describe apples with one word.
Okay.
Oh, you can't look at the TV.
Oh, man, we really got to show the answers that people said. That's a huge, fun part of this game that we're missing out on.
Papa, your turn.
I said red. What'd you guys say?
Red.
Red.
Oh, it was a dud question.
I expected someone to say round.
Round.
That's why I thought it would be good.
I expected someone to say sweet, but everyone said red, so it was a dud question.
I was thinking about
Matt said red last time I said that question.
All right. It's my turn to ask a question.
Papa's slow typing.
I'm typing.
Papa's typing slow.
No. That has to be one word.
Too slow.
There you go.
What's the question?
What's your favorite Dave Pilkey bad word?
Hey, Pilkey doesn't even have bad words.
Do they? Does he say bad word?
One word?
Yep, one word.
He doesn't even say bad words.
Write something. Maybe ask a weird question, but you still have to try to guess
You
it.
can match with other people, but it doesn't have to be the right answer.
No, wait, no, take it. And that?
Yeah. You guys should have said, the diary of a lunatic, but you did say, translation is not the same.
No.
Papa, have you answered?
Yeah.
Or Jesse's son, have you answered?
For some reason I can't submit. Oh, there we go. What?
I got
It still can't.
Because it's how many words is it?
One word.
Oh, yeah. I did space. Okay. Woohoo!
All right, did you get it?
Mine was dash, 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 because it was a bad word, of
What
course.
did everyone say?
I said poop.
I said poop.
What'd you say, Bo?
He said,
The D word for penis.
The D word for penis. Okay.
And then one of them, he says, "What the dickens?"
What the dickens?
Which has the D word inside that word.
you said
Never
it.
read Dave Pilkey again.
You said
All right,
it.
waiting for Jess to ask a question. Oh.
What's my favorite chewing gum flavor? Oh,
Yes, he said so.
I don't know if I have a good answer to this.
Worst question ever, Tom.
No, this is a word. Like what gross? Underground. I misspelled gross. I misspelled it gross. It says like gross underground.
Oh, yay! But what'd you say?
Gum.
Both said gum.
wait, it's got a flavor of gum.
I know, bubble gum.
Gum flavor gum?
I said mint.
No.
Oh, okay, got a point with it. Maggie Poodle.
What's Bo's website's name, Uncle John?
Do what?
What's Bo's website's name? The one who created using AI.
Apparently, you just say that again. I didn't hear you.
What is Bo's website's name
Oh,
that he created?
Apple Bob's.
don't say that.
How do you how do you spell that? Is it cap?
What? Applebox. APPL.
But is it all that?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Is it .com?
I lost a lot of games because I put most of the games in my old computer and my old computer broke. Oh,
It's
there they
it's
are.
this website right here. I'm live coding it, live streaming it to the world right now.
Yeah, but they're full of bad games.
How many viewers are there?
Don't play this until we make the next video advertising Apple Bob.
I don't see you live streaming it. Oh, hold on. I gotta fast forward.
Who's on this video?
You are?
Whoever streamed.
Like I'm saying, as it's a private live stream.
No, it's public.
How many people are watching?
Just me.
Hey, Jace.
We have you. We're
Hi.
rich.
Oh, good, it's still working. Okay. Last time it quit
Yeah, it
working for
worked.
some reason. All right, let's see. Are we back playing?
No, I'm not done yet.
Man, finish.
So slow.
On Jeff and Tom, you're loathing.
I typed it in and it said Apple Bob stuff.
Okay. Sorry. Yep.
All right, finally. It's hard. I think it's a dead question.
Well, we won't find out until we.
All right, everyone said something. I said potato. Hello, potato.
I said gorgeous.
Oh, that's good.
I said hi. I said hi. Yo.
Two people said hi.
Like, I thought of someone saying that, like.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
I thought it was hello, and then a different guy's responding back. So I
You
said
silly.
hi.
Bo, it's your turn to ask a question, and then I think the game's over.
No, I'm losing.
I want to play.
Really bad.
I want to play.
How do you shoot? Oh, he needs to fix it and see what the road and tell me what time.
Yeah, I said down.
Did you come to here for it?
I want the slow voice to play.
Well, it exists on the internet now, so anyone can play it anytime they want to. We did that. Pretty cool, huh?
Yay.
All right.
But
That's a good question.
What is it?
How many points do you have?
And some of us might be tied.
type in
What's the best answer for this, Bo?
That's a good question.
9. You should answer 9.
So what's everyone gonna say?
9.
So how many points are you gonna get?
0.
-1. So who's gonna win?
Papa.
Nice, right? All right,
Pretty good.
all right.
I love
Everyone,
it.
everyone, put the answers in. Put the
Yay.
answer.
Got it.
All right. John is the winner with 11 points.
Wow. Yes, John.
Meg.
Okay. Return to home. But
Wow. Okay, so what did you guys think about that?
good, but we need to
That
fix
was
where
fun.
we can see what they say.
Yeah, what's it? What? Okay, so I'll go back to where I've been writing what things need to change. I definitely think make sure everyone sees the answer, and when people are typing the answer, show that it's being typed, but don't show what the answer is. Okay. What else? What else do we need? I feel like it's close. Jess?
Be able to play this.
I don't know. Fireworks at the end. Final
I
score.
make my name
Kaboom.
Lucas.
All right.
On just a try, I answered four for your own.
Yay.
On just a try, I answered four for your own sake.
4 for my own sake.
Yep.
I want to voice both read off everybody's scores.
What?
John, he's laughing. He's going. Thank you, Google. Cool.
All right. Well, anyway, that's the game. It took one night to make it. We've been live streaming for
1 hour later.
1 hour 46 seconds, minutes, 30 seconds.
All right.
Not bad, right?
Good time to go to bed. Good job, guys.
All right, go team. That was awesome.
I want to play with the Slum Boys.
We'll talk to you later.
All right, love you
Wait, I
guys.
want to play with the Slum Boys.
Love y'all. Bye.
Calm down.
Is that the end of the? No, we're still streaming, right?
We are still live streaming, and I think I'm going to shut it down now.
No,
Why no? What do you want to do?
because I want to fix the problem where you can see what they're saying.
I can still hear.
Get status. Get commit or get add. Get commit. I forget what I added, so it dumped it all in there. All right, so we're definitely streaming. So let's change these last little things then. So we've saved the work that we've accomplished. Let's see what we can change it for. Okay, we've added next steps to the PRD at the bottom. Can you rewrite that for us and make it really clear so that someone implementing it would understand? But don't go overboard. Just keep it, about the same length, a little bit longer maybe. Go. Just going to rewrite this jazz right here.
Wait, Meg, let me. Wait, look. Wait, Meg, wait.
That's probably okay. Players don't. The players are actively typing. Sure, that feels okay.
Fine, then I'll delete them.
I guess that's okay. All right. The fuzzy matching is going to be hard to do. We're going to need OpenAI deployment of some sort. I'll have to get my keys stuck in there, and that's something I don't want to do in live share.
Wait, you have -1?
Yep.
Wait, Meg, now let me make
Score delta visualization. Yep, I like that.
Work it out.
I feel like there's something missing though.
I have to delete it and then make a new one.
Now implement all of the next steps except for the one that involves OpenAI or generative AI. We'll do that later. All right. So it's going to start blowing through all this stuff.
Create a game.
Do I need to create a game or
Wait
you
on create a game.
make it simple so we can actually
They're playing it right now.
Who's playing?
You are.
Okay. It's 6, 7.
Oh, spelling it out or just 6 space 7? What is it?
6, 7, no space.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, set. Wait, and now.
Did you start the game?
Wait, what? Please enter a valid number of vowels, at least once.
You must have typed a letter on accident.
No, I did it. All told it now. Start the game. Wait. Is it still live streaming?
We are indeed.
Okay, man, the game started. The game started? Alright, look at the round.
What?
Oh!
What?
No, I can't say it. I can't say it.
All right. The minimum of the players is 3.
Okay.
So there's going to be A and B playing X. Oops. So we got to join it, right? And C playing X.
It's still, I can hear you guys, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I know I'm still live stream. All right. Creator has to start the game. All right. I ask a question. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Did I not ask a question?
Did you also answer?
Oh
I'm
no,
just gonna get
this is a
one.
bad error.
Hold on. Let me go. Just type stuff here. Then you just type.
Oh no, error.
Okay. I typed 6, 7.
What would you do?
All right, I'm gonna quit streaming tonight because I'm tired of it.
Okay.
End stream.
It started getting worse. Bye bye.